The Tyrannosaurus rex, often called T-Rex, was one of the largest land carnivores to ever exist. T-Rex lived during the late Cretaceous period, approximately 68 to 66 million years ago. Fossils of T-Rex have been found primarily in North America, particularly in Montana and South Dakota. T-Rex was a bipedal dinosaur, meaning it walked on two powerful legs. It had a massive skull with sharp teeth, designed for crushing bone and tearing flesh. T-Rex was an apex predator, meaning it was at the top of its food chain. Despite its fearsome reputation, T-Rex may have also been a scavenger, feeding on carrion. The extinction of T-Rex occurred around 66 million years ago, likely due to a massive asteroid impact. Spinosaurus is one of the largest carnivorous dinosaurs known to science. This dinosaur lived during the late Cretaceous period, around 112 to 93 million years ago. Fossils of Spinosaurus have been found primarily in North Africa, particularly in Egypt and Morocco. Spinosaurus is unique for its elongated snout and conical teeth, adapted for catching fish. It is believed that Spinosaurus was semi-aquatic, spending time both on land and in water. The distinctive sail on its back is thought to have been used for display, thermoregulation, or storage of fat. Spinosaurus was likely a solitary predator, hunting large fish and possibly other dinosaurs. Despite its size, Spinosaurus remains a subject of ongoing research and debate among paleontologists. Now, let us explore the differences and similarities between Tyrannosaurus and Spinosaurus. Tyrannosaurus rex, often called T-Rex, was a massive carnivorous dinosaur known for its powerful jaws. In contrast, Spinosaurus was unique for its sail-like structure on its back and was believed to be semi-aquatic. Both dinosaurs lived during the late Cretaceous period, sharing the Earth around 70 million years ago. Tyrannosaurus was primarily a land predator, while Spinosaurus likely hunted both on land and in water. Despite their differences, both dinosaurs had strong limbs and were formidable predators in their ecosystems. Fossil evidence suggests that Tyrannosaurus had excellent vision and a keen sense of smell. In comparison, Spinosaurus had elongated jaws filled with conical teeth, ideal for catching fish. The Tyrannosaurus rex, often called T-Rex, was one of the largest land predators of its time. Its hunting style was primarily based on ambush tactics, using its size and strength to surprise prey. T-Rex had powerful legs that allowed it to run at impressive speeds for its size. Its keen sense of smell helped it locate prey from great distances. The T-Rex had strong jaws filled with sharp teeth, perfect for crushing bones. It likely hunted in packs, which would have increased its chances of a successful kill. After a successful hunt, T-Rex would use its powerful bite to tear apart its prey. The hunting style of T-Rex showcases the adaptability and efficiency of this iconic predator. Spinosaurus is known for its unique hunting style, which sets it apart from other dinosaurs. This dinosaur primarily hunted in water, making it one of the few known aquatic dinosaurs. Its long crocodile-like jaws were perfect for catching fish, its main source of food. Spinosaurus also had strong limbs that allowed it to walk on land, giving it versatility in hunting. The dinosaur's large claws were likely used to grasp slippery prey, enhancing its hunting efficiency. Evidence suggests that Spinosaurus may have also hunted smaller dinosaurs and other terrestrial animals. Its unique adaptations made Spinosaurus a formidable predator in both aquatic and terrestrial environments. Understanding the hunting style of Spinosaurus helps us appreciate the diversity of dinosaur lifestyles. So, whether you stand with the mighty Tyrannosaurus Rex or the river-stalking Spinosaurus, one thing's clear. Both of these prehistoric giants were perfectly adapted to their own worlds. Their differences show us how diverse dinosaur life really was, and their similarities remind us just how powerful evolution can be. If you enjoyed exploring these two titans of the Cretaceous, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which predator you think would come out on top. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure into the ancient past.
Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for visiting our channel. Don't forget to visit our online merchandise shops. The link is in the channel description. Remember, learn something every day. Please check out our other videos. We will see you in the next one.